Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study section formula. You can see on the board something, a graphical presentation is there. You can see somewhere point A, B, M1, M2. All these is the components of our section formula I can see. Now see. A coordinate, B coordinate and a distance formula we can apply. Now this AB line is divided in a ratio M1 is to M2. In the ratio 1 is to 2. Correct? So it's a somewhat a long process, but we are not going in its derivation. But to represent it, I am just having a framework so that we will get it something idea how to deal with it. Here the similarity of a triangle is also used. You are unaware of the similarities of the triangle. So we are not going in its derivation. Just simply understand if like this is there, then what formula is there to find it out? The coordinates of point P. P is the coordinate which is dividing the line segment in a ratio M1 is to M2. So, what it will be? So, coordinates of, let's see, the coordinates of A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2 and the point as x and y. M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 upon M1 plus M2. Same way, M1 into Y2 plus M2 into Y1 upon M1 plus M2. This is our section formula. Now let us see its application. In example number 6, it is given a line segment is there with the coordinates A as 4 minus 3, B as 8, 5. And the ratio in which point P is dividing this line segment is M1 is to M2 is 3 is to 8, 3 is to 1 it is. It is 3 is to 1. Now we want to find out the coordinates of point P. We are writing as x and y. Now, dear students, I always prefer to draw something rough figure like this. Why? Now see why I am insisting in this drawing of the figure. So what is the formula? First of all, let us write is equal to M1. If I am writing this ratio, then multiply with the coordinate of x first of all, with the another one, plus M2, then coordinate of first one, x1, upon M1 plus M2, comma, now I will get the coordinate of y. Same way, M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now I think it's clear and easy also. So let's do it. 3 into 8. 3 and 8 is, I am writing in bracket, plus 1 into 4 upon 3 plus 1, comma, same way for y coordinate also. 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 whole upon 3 plus 1 bracket over. Now 8 3s are 24 plus 4 1s are 4 upon 4, comma 50 plus minus minus and 3 upon 4 is equal to 28 upon 4, and this will give me 12 upon 4. Now it is divisible, so you have to reduce it. So 3 4 ones are 4 sevens are 4 ones are 4 threes are. What I am getting it now? 7 3. P coordinates as 7 and 3, means x coordinate is 7 and y coordinate is my 3. So in this way we are applying section formula. In next question, what is given us? Coordinates of A and B are given to us, and here some difference you can find it out is the coordinate of P is also given, minus 4 6. In that case we have find it out the coordinate of P, but here we have to find it out the ratio as question mark. This ratio can be presented as m1 upon n2 also like this. Now method is same only, same formula you have to apply, but after this application of this formula you have to use another step. Let's see. So put it in this formula. Here we are not having any value of m, so I am keeping it as it is, m only. Here I am writing the coordinates of P as minus 4 6 is equal to, now what is to be, m1 into coordinates of x2. So m1 and x2 will be my 3 plus m2 into minus 6 upon m1 plus m2. Same way y coordinates also, m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into 10 upon m1 plus m2. On simplifying, what we get it? 3m1 minus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2. Next is minus 8m1 plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. And P coordinates as minus 4 6. Now I am comparing one of the coordinate x, this one. This x minus 4 is equal to this coordinate. So comparing it with this and simplifying, that it is answer. You can see this coordinate simplification will give me minus 4 as an answer. Now same way you can write it for y coordinate also, but we are getting with one, why to go for the another one also. Now take it this m1 plus m2 on another side. What you will get is m1 plus m2 minus 4 into, and then here 3m1 minus 6m2. Now we will simplify it. Multiply, open the bracket, minus 4m1 minus 4m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. Now take m1 on one side and m2 on another side. Therefore, minus 4m1, this is positive, this will come negative, minus 3m1 minus 6m2, this minus 4 will go on another side, it will be positive. Therefore, plus minus minus, sign of greater number. So here, sorry beta, here both are negative only. So minus minus plus. So minus 7m1 is equal to minus plus minus, sign of greater, minus 2m2. Now what I wrote it in m1 upon m2. So take it m2 in denominator here as it is in multiplication, and same way 2 will remain up and this minus 7 will go in denominator. Therefore minus minus will be cancelled out. What you are getting as 2 upon 7. So m1 upon m2 is equal to 2 upon 7. Therefore m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Now If you want to verify for the y coordinate also, place the value of m1 and m2. Verification. This verification is not required, but just for the first time we are doing it. So I am doing, no need to do it in exam. What we are getting it? 6 is equal to m minus 8 m1 plus 10 m2 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 is my 2 minus 8 into 2 plus 10 into 7 upon 2 plus 7. Let's see what we are getting it. Minus 8 to the 16 plus 70 upon 9 is equal to 4, and this will give me 54 upon 9. This is equal to 6. Yes, both are same only. So my ratio is correct. Okay, my ratio is correct. Because on putting the value of these ratios in my given question, the coordinate of y, which is already given, that I am getting it. So it is correct. Okay. So once again telling you, no need to do this sort of a verification in exam. Just now, for a first time we have done, so I explain you this sort of a verification is also there. Dear students, complete exercise 7.1 in your notebook. So requesting all of you, as early as possible, just log in and accept the invitation. Thank you students for watching the video. Keep learning.